Greetings, my vamps. Welcome back to Ivanafacepaint. Today, I'm going to turn myself into a vampire. And not just a vampire, a dying vampire. And my take on it is that this vampire kind of turns into stone and then crumbles away. It's gonna be a sad day for this vampire, but I think it'll be a lot of fun. So first, let's turn ourselves into a normal looking vampire, which means regular makeup and teeth and maybe some eyes. Yeah. So I went ahead and put on some primer. So now I'm gonna get started with my powder, foundation, and liquid foundations and stuff. And I'm probably gonna make my skin just a touch paler than normal. But I won't be completely paling myself out. Just a little bit paler. Okay. To do all this paling out, I will simply just apply a light powder and then apply a light liquid foundation over top of that and then another layer of light powder. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start doing a little bit of contouring. And for the contouring, I think I'm going to use dark brown eyeshadow. Once I finished up the contouring with the dark brown, I applied a little bit of blush, and then I went over the contouring on my cheeks with some dry black paint. Okay, and now we're gonna do our eyebrows, and we're just gonna fill them in like normal. We're not drawing them on, we're just gonna make them natural. Now I want to do a little bit of eyeshadow. When I picture a vampire, I picture kind of like a smoky type eye. So we'll just do a simple smoky eye for the eyeshadow. Now we're going to hit the bottom lids with the same dark brown color. Now let's highlight. Do a little blending. And guess what we're gonna do today that I don't normally do? I think I've only done on like one other video. Eyeliner, if I can find my eyeliner. Oh. Okay, I am probably way out of practice on this, so hopefully I don't butcher it. Not bad, because I am going for a thicker cat eye, just because vampires are bold. So I want her makeup to be bold. Now I'm going to take a regular eyeliner pencil and just add a little bit to my bottom lid. I'm going to blend all of this in and then I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'm going to apply this chocolate matte color first and then I might add a little bit of red to it. I'm actually gonna keep this color for my lips. So now I'm gonna go put my mascara on, put some contacts in, put my teeth in, put my hair down, and I'll show you that part of this look. Okay guys, so the first part was a success, I think. My hair's kind of a hot mess, but you know, whatever. So now we're gonna start on the stone part, and yeah, I took out my contacts and my teeth to give my mouth a break, and those things feel like way too big for my mouth. Hurts my gums. So, took all that out because I'm gonna have different contacts in for this next part. I'm gonna put my hair back up and then we're gonna get started on the dying vampire version. Okay, I'm kind of thinking for this part, I still wanna leave part of my face normal and I'm just gonna make it like it's traveling up in a way. So to get that stone look, I got some gray paint around here somewhere. Not paint, I have gray powder. Alright, so I'm gonna use this gray makeup powder in hopes that it will spread onto my body and kind of have like a stonish color, and then we'll tweak what we need to tweak. That's what I'm gonna start with, gray powder. Oh yes, it's nice. Yes. It's weird because gray has like a green tone to it, but I think it'll be alright. So we'll just cover everywhere that already has makeup down here. It's funny because I need to record music for a client today because that's another thing that I do. I record vocals for people that need vocals on their songs. Pretty simple. And I need to go and record when I get done with this. So I will be recording music today as a dead vampire, I guess. It just saves me some time because it takes a while to wash this stuff off sometimes, and this one might not take too long, but I can't take any chances. I got things to do, you know? Not enough time in the day and everything, so nice and full. Gray and stony looking. Yeah, stony. I don't even know what I'm saying, okay? I'm just talking to really myself because, I mean, you all aren't watching it right now, so technically I'm talking to myself. See, which side of the face do I want to go up? I think I'm gonna do the right side of my face. It just feels right. Plus I'm right-handed, so it's just probably easier to do that, maybe. I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't really know how I'm gonna do the eyes since they're already done and stuff. I'll probably just end up making a messier thing around both eyes to make it look like I'm kind of like sickly and dying, so I'll just smear out what I already have. Yeah, I'm just gonna wipe off some of that cat eye stuff. Same with the lips. Unless this gray will just go over it. No, that works. Huh, funny because my eye's watery already. So I'll just use that to my advantage. Okay. I actually think for the eyes, I want them to be smeared on this side like I've been crying, because, I mean, I'm sad that I'm dying a slow death. Take a little bit of a dark eyeshadow, smear it down my face, a little bit under the eye. I'm gonna do it with this one too, really. It's stone. I feel like it got me right in the middle of crying. Way more gray on this eye now. Okay, so we now got our base color on. Base. Alright, so we got our stone color. Now I'm going to start drawing on little cracks and things like that. I think I just want to do that using eyeliner. Yeah, I don't really want this to be a paint video. I want this to be a makeup video. So yeah, we're gonna stick with eyeliner and hope that that does what I need it to do. It's just sharpen this a little bit. Alright, perfect. Now that I've got an outline going, I'm going to use eyeshadow. Just going to use my smaller brush and use my, I think, dark blue eyeshadow to go over these cracks. Okay, now I'm basically gonna go over the same parts with a different brush to start just shading around it, make it a little thicker. Okay, I do actually want to use some black paint just to get these more defined, but I think I'm going to use it while it's dry. I have to see if it'll even work. Yes. Dry black paint it is. Just kidding. I'm going to have to add a little bit of water. Just a smidge though. Now that I've got the cracks put on with black, I'm going to do a little bit more shading, and then I'm going to go over the whole thing with the gray powder again. Alright, so that basically sums us up. I'm gonna go put my other contacts in, put my hair back down, put my teeth back in, and show you all the finished look. Alright guys, here's the finished look. These teeth are huge. Like, I mean, they get the job done, but they keep falling out because I had to put them in using homemade scar wax, which sounds disgusting, but that's because it is. Luckily, homemade scar wax is just made out of flour and Vaseline, so it's not the worst thing ever. I just didn't have any of the adhesive glue for these teeth, so yeah, so here's one attempt at a vampire of some kind. Turned out alright. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do like a lot of different vampire videos just because I feel like that needs to be like our thing. We should be a vampire family or something. Anyway, so if you like this video, make sure that you go hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know that in the comments. I'm so sorry if you can't hardly understand what I'm saying. It's very hard to talk, so, it tastes terrible. The things that I put myself through for you guys. But I love you anyway, and it's fun. Sometimes gross, but it's fun. Alright, well, I'm off to work on some music, and I will catch you guys next week. I want to suck your blood. I want to paint your face. Come paint your face with me. I want to paint my face. I want to work on music. I want to paint. I want to model. I want to take pictures. I want to draw. I want to do my makeup. I want to do your makeup. I want to do videos. I bet you want me to shut the f up.